Hi, I'm Adam Wolf. I'm here at ARM Studios with the Alliance for Regenerative Medicine board member Allison Moore. Allison, welcome.
Thank you very much, Adam.
First things first, how did you get involved in the cell and gene therapy sector?
Well, I have spent about 20 years of my career at Amgen, working across all kinds of different biotechnology modalities. After that time, I really wanted to do something different. I'm a cell biologist by education, and I had the opportunity to work at Allogene, an allogeneic CAR T cell therapy company, and I jumped at the chance to be exposed to and to learn about advanced medicines, the development of advanced medicines, and also having whole cell as the biologic drug product. So for me, in the CMC space, that was especially interesting.
Excellent. Well, kind of in the similar vein to that, what's been your most memorable moment in your rich experience and history working with cell and gene therapy in the broader biotech sector?
My favorite moment, I think, was, and I'm sure many folks might relate to this, so when a company works very hard, especially a startup company, to generate the primary asset and to create the drug product, have it be produced under GMP, have it be released to the clinic. All of the other functions are coordinating their activities also. And then to have the privilege to have that product be used in the treatment of patients. And then, of course, there's a little bit of a lag time, but when I first heard about the first complete response as a result of the use of our drug product, that was probably one of the most memorable milestones in my time in cell and gene therapy.
Thank you for sharing that. And given that you have a career working with senior leadership in the cell and gene therapy sector, and with so many startup companies and new companies coming into the fold with the growth the sector has seen in the past few years, what's some advice maybe you would give to new leaders or new executives who just found themselves within the cell and gene therapy sector?
My advice maybe will come from the CMC direction. I think that time spent understanding the product and characterizing the product and learning the most about the biological, physicochemical features of the product is one of the most important things that we can do in this space, because these are all highly innovative therapies across all disciplines, but also in the creation of these particular drug products. And we really need to learn and know about them better so that we can really maximize the advantage that they can bring in the clinic.
You've been recently working on an allogeneic CAR T cell space. Do you think we're on the verge of a breakthrough in allogeneic therapies or anything interesting in that regard?
Yes, I think that allogeneic biology is an important addition in this space. I think the autologous CAR Ts are really demonstrating tremendous clinical benefit, but everybody knows that scaling those therapies has its challenges. I think that allogeneic biology is definitely a little complex across that whole supply chain. But I have been part of a company that has demonstrated very interesting and evolving clinical data. And yes, I believe that we will have allogeneic CAR T therapies in the market in due course.
Allison, so why are you so passionate about this work? Why did you decide to go and get into a career in cell and gene therapy?
Yeah, I think that in answer to your question, I would start with this. My father was a pharmacist, and I always found myself interested in medicine. But I didn't want to count pills, no disrespect to all of the fabulous pharmacists out there. And I took a more biological path. I had the opportunity to come to the United States and be a postdoctoral fellow at Genentech at a time when biotechnology was really just starting to bloom. And that shaped all of the rest of my career. And so the marriage of biology in pursuit of delivering therapeutic opportunities, and now in the cell and gene space, potentially curative opportunities, is a magnificent privilege. And I am just so passionate still about all of the ways that biotechnology can deliver medicines of the future so that our children and our children's children will have medicines like humans have never experienced before.
Excellent. Well, thank you so much for joining us today, and we hope you enjoy the rest of the conference.
Thank you very much.